Yo, YouTube, this is Fat Man DD1 coming from. Well, you know where I'm coming from. I just wanted to get into something hard to explain. And, well, it's something to the heart that everybody will understand. Is the basic topic on, yes, I don't ever want to say this in my life anymore, but I'm probably going to start talking to a lot of people about this. The basic religion and science. See, I believe religion and science have their compatibility, their clashing points. Religion believes in the Bible. Everything is the way it was written. God said this, you do this. God said that, you don't do that. So God's our big fat daddy. He's going to tell us what to do, not to do, and to praise Him and only Him. That's good for you. I believe in the Lord. Well, I believe every God because I'm polytheistic. And there's science. The Big Bang. The Big Bang, little white speck, explosion, everything. Now we're here. Adam and Eve, the Bible, kicked them out because they ate the apple, the forbidden fruit of knowledge, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to get into the details. But I just want to say that science and religion have their points, have their little meet and greet. They may argue about it, but if you realize how the world works, it's how science proves it. Before we were being cavemen, ooga, ooga, me, fire, science was already there. We just had to find it, make it, create it. We made medicine. Medicine was already there. We found herbs, we made it. We found this, we made it. We made science because it was already there. There's nothing that's man-made. Most religions, man-made. If you want a real religion, the Holy Book, that wasn't man-made. Sometimes over the centuries, the book could have been overwritten. As that book was overwritten, people probably got their own ideas. Hey, I'm a priest and my son's gay. Let me put in the Bible that God hates gays and see what happens in a few years. Maybe, I'm saying maybe, those are thoughts and ideas, but people believe in many things. Some people I know that are different type of religious nuts are going to take it to the head. Some people that are scientific nuts are going to take it to the next head. Because you can be scientific, you could not believe in the big Lord, fine, but you've got to believe in something. You could not believe in God, you could not believe anything, but you got to believe in something. Something. You can believe in aliens right now in the secret organization in the government. You can believe somebody working with the Illuminati, and there's a triangle. Illuminati is a secret organization working for the government. You can believe Area 51 is real. Area 52 is real. 51 has just been, it's obvious. But still, you gotta believe in something. Plus, science and religion come back to points of view. You can take 50, 50, and 50 and bring them in the middle, and you realize they're the same shit. Just telling in different words. They're the same shit. No one cares. No one wants to get in a big argument about religion and science because no one wants to have a 10,000-year battle. Look what happened to Israel. What happened around the world? If there was no religion, people wouldn't be blowing each other the fuck up. If that's the basic part. If there was no religion, I wouldn't be trying to kill the guy next to me with a katana blade the size of hell. No. If religion wasn't around, the world would be a better place. But that's the thing. Humans need something to fight about. If there was an argument over religion and science, there's going to be an argument over sneakers and shoes, t-shirts, slacks, new TVs, old TVs, modern technology, what we have now. And I mean modern, I mean like 2030. That's modern. What we have now is nothing compared to what's happening. In a few years, the world's going to go straight into hell in a handbasket. And the economic system that we have now in the USA is going to affect not just us, but our competitors. And then we're going to have the domino effect. After the domino effect, we're going to have a big world standoff of what the fuck happened. Then there's not going to be no more talk about religion, about science. There's going to be talk about money and power. People use religion and science to keep you in the fucking seats in the chairs to make sure you can be bundled up and scared. You have to be scared of the big Lord and whatever else is out there. Because fear is the only thing that keeps you away from the truth. If you don't want the truth, if you don't want nothing else, go away. After that, no one will need to tell you nothing. But, who can keep you in but you? Take what you want to take from this video. If not, look around. Look at every single detail you can. Because we all do. This is Fat Man DD1 coming to you, saying what you want for nothing. Peace.